Whee! Faster! Faster! Show him! Show him that you can do it! There you go. There you go. I'm on my lawnmower. And she's over there. This is Rayne. That's Rayne, my granddaughter. Yeah. I've been riding her around in the trailer that I cleaned up and painted, and look, I just didn't do the inside, so I put a towel down so she can lay on it. Anyway. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Good job. Good job. She's doing a good job. Anyway, yeah, I've been riding around town, showing her the town. Took her down to Uncle Donnie's and Aunt Tina's, and over to Laura's to see Uncle Jimmy or Johnny. Yeah, she's been riding on or playing on that toy, and this one here. She hasn't gotten on the slide yet. That'll be the next thing. Anyway, hope everyone's having a good day so far. Good morning to everyone.